Wow, you're welcome once more. Gaining admission into the higher institute does not really matter. What matters is the way you are able to navigate all through your university year. We've been there, we understand what it takes to navigate all through from your first year to your final year. Succeeding as a fresher in the university involves more than the processes we use in entering the university. It involves more than academics performance. It involves more than building good habits. It involves more than managing your time. It involves more than being productive. Honestly, it involves more than we thought within. But I must tell you, there are important steps to take in taking advantage as a new fresher in the university to come out successfully at the end of your activities in the university. Okay, now today we'll be looking at the topic how to succeed as a university fresh student, that is new entrance. Here are some of the practical guides to help you succeed. My targets today are the new entry university world students. Okay, now step one, as a university fresher, you must set a clear goal as early as what possible. A clear goal that will help you to systemize, navigate successfully all through your university years. Now, in goals, we should have two goals. There's what we call the long-term goal and the short-term goal. The short-term goals signify those goals that you can achieve within the university community and within your university year. The long-term goals are goals that will be achieved outside your university world community. Okay, let's look at short-term goals. Get goals that will pull you constantly to the classroom. Make new quality friends that will align to your goal. The type of friends you make at your first year in your university as a way to promote your success, or as a way likewise to reduce your success level. What are the long-term goals? You must think of graduating on time to acquire positive life after the university world community. You must gain the best of experience for you to be able to be practically useful outside the university world commitment. Now, what you need to know outside your goal, you must prioritize your academics. You must learn to prioritize your academics, because the reason you were sent to the university by your parents, by your community, is for you to come out as a successful university world graduate, to be useful to yourself more especially, and to be useful to the community and to the church at large. Now, you must learn to attend classes regularly. Even when the attendance are not important, are not necessary, you must try your best to be in attendance always. You must try your best to be in attendance always. Also, you must stay organized as a fresher. Majorly in your first semester, you must try your best to stay organized. You must develop a planner or a planning method for you to stay constantly in check with other developments in the school or in the university world community. Remember, there are a lot of things that will distract you from success in the university, but you must try as much as possible to stay organized. There are a lot of university resources that you must make use of. The universities, in your faculties, in your department, there are different level of academic resources. The books, the libraries, you must visit the library regularly. There are also some kind of tutorials that people are organizing, those guys that are ahead of you. Take time, be part of it. It is very important. Let me tell you, this advice may not come from your parents. Because we've passed through the system, we understood the difficulties that a lot of you will be passing through. That's why I've decided to give you this video for free. The library, a lot of us pass through the university, a lot of persons pass through the university without knowing the library location of the university, and I think it's very wrong. It is very, very wrong. Now, another areas you must work on as a fresher is what I call mastering time management. Like as I said initially, a lot of distraction on campus, a lot of distraction from fellowships, a lot of distraction from guys, a lot of distraction from friends, a lot of distraction, a lot of activity, especially in your third semester in the first year. There are a lot of activities. People are graduating, a lot of partying, but you must learn what I call mastering your time management. You must create a schedule. You must create schedule for all of your activity and prioritize your schedule. That is for that. Another area to master your time management is to learn to build yourself above procrastination. Use the Pomodoro techniques. Use the tomatoes techniques in building that concept above what? Procrastination. As a student, what you are supposed to do in the morning, do it in the morning. You can also learn to balance your time. There's social life in the university. I'm not telling you not to involve in social life, but try as much as possible. While involving in social life, there must be a better equilibrium between your studies, your academics activities, and your social life. I would like you to know it is important for you to do that, okay? Build a support network. Build a perfect fraternity. I'm not asking you to join gangs. What I'm saying, make friends that will help you to succeed in your goals. You should learn to connect yourself with some lecturers. Try to find one or two lecturers that will be meaningful to you, not only within the school and outside within the school. Outside the university community, you must find one that will help you in succeeding also. Now, there are other things you need to know as a fresher. You must learn to take care of your mental and physical health. Exercise, academics, the university community is not all about books. You should go for exercise, physical activities. You should study things outside your academics. And above all, I'm not telling you not to go to night classes. We did it, but at the end of the day, we end up going to the hospitals. So you should try as much as possible to try to sleep. Try to sleep. Some of us are having challenges with our sleeping system today because of excessive night classes. So try as much as possible to sleep, eat well, and do more exercise. If you are finding difficulties, seek for help. If you are finding difficulties, seek for help. It is simple to ask others for help. As a fresher, you must learn to manage your resources. You must learn to manage the little your parents gave to you. Learn what I call financial responsibility. You have to develop a budget system. You have to know when to make photocopies. You have to know when to buy handouts. You have to know when to buy food that you need to eat. You should be able to organize your financial life well. And alongside, there are some distractions like clubs, like the NAPTIPs, like the Red Cross, and the rest of those organizations. It is not an option. If you want to, it's optional. If you want to join one, join. Okay, but make sure it's not affecting your academics work. Now, lastly, I will be rounding up. The success in your entire university year depends on your 100 level. If you fail to manage your 100 level successfully, you will end up struggling on through your university year. So I'm encouraging you as a friend, as a brother, as a father, telling you your university year is the best foundation you can use in building a better structure in your entire university days. I still remember my humble self, I would like you to comment. If you are facing any challenges in your first year, comment. We can help you. We can guide you all through. Let us be your guidance counselor all through your university year. Shalom. God bless you. We love you.